Hello friends, today we are going to draw a nature scenery inside a circle. At first, we draw a scenery inside the circle. Then sketch the base and other elements. Draw 2 plum trees and sketch. Then finishing the sketch of sun. A pencil sketch is a form of visual art created using graphite pencils or charcoal. It's a technique that involves drawing lines, shapes, and shading to capture the essence of a subject. Pencil sketches are known for their raw and unrefined quality, often emphasizing the fundamental aspects of the subject. In a pencil sketch, the artist uses varying degrees of pressure on the pencil to create different shades of gray. This allows them to convey depth, texture, and volume. Light shading creates highlights, while darker shading forms shadows and contours. The result is a monochromatic representation that can evoke a sense of simplicity and elegance. Thank you all.